How is your day going? That simple question opened the conversation.
Welcome to Basic English Stream. This is your easy English listening practice for real life. I am Royi, and today the studio feels bright and social.
And I am Lisa. Social is a good word for today because we are starting Season 3 with small talk.
Small talk sounds easy. The words are small, so the conversation should be small too, right?
You would think so, but yesterday I stood in an elevator with a new neighbor. I wanted to speak and my mind became completely empty.
Wait, you teach English and an elevator made you freeze?
Yes. The doors closed, the elevator moved, and I looked at the floor numbers like they were a very exciting movie.
Floor 7. What a story. Floor 8. What a surprise.
Exactly. Then my neighbor smiled and said, "How is your day going?" That simple question opened the conversation.
I like that. Small talk is not a deep interview. It is a friendly bridge between silence and a real connection.
That is our goal today. By the end, you can start a short conversation, show interest, ask one follow-up question, and end politely.
Our golden starter is, how is your day going? You can use it at work, in your building, at a class, or before an online meeting.
We will also practice safe topics, natural answers, return questions, and one polite exit. You do not need perfect grammar. One clear sentence is enough.
Before we jump in, listen for 3 phrases. How is your day going? That sounds nice. And I should get back to work.
Repeat them softly. Then write one small talk answer in the comments. Save this episode and return tomorrow for the same clear sentence.
Ears ready, voice ready. Let us make an awkward silence feel a little easier.
Roy, what makes a good small talk topic?
I choose something we can both see or share. The weather, the place, the event, or the day can work well.
Exactly. A shared topic means both people can understand it without private information. In this conversation, the elevator and the rainy morning are shared. You can say, "It is a busy morning, isn't it?"
So shared means it belongs to both people in that moment.
Yes, it does not need to belong to them forever. It is simply part of the same situation.
Then I can notice something first. Notice means to see or hear something and give it attention. In our lesson, I notice the rain. I can say, I noticed the cafe is very busy today.
Perfect. The first simple pattern is observation plus question. Say, "It is warm today. Do you like this weather?"
What if I say, the weather is terrible and everything is terrible?
That may start a conversation, but it can make the other person feel heavy. Keep the first comment light and open.
Light means not too serious or negative. Here, a light comment is easy to answer. A real sentence is, we had a light conversation before class.
Let us try 3 places. At work, you can say, "How is your morning going?"
In your building, you can say, it is nice to see the sun today. Are you going out?
Before an online meeting, try, "How is everyone doing today?" It gives people a gentle way to enter the room.
The word gentle matters. Gentle means calm and not strong or rough. In this lesson, a gentle question does not put pressure on someone. You can say, she gave me a gentle smile.
Very good. Now, let us answer the golden question. If someone asks, "How is your day going?" you can say, "Pretty good, thanks. I finished a small task."
What does pretty good mean? Is it about looking beautiful?
Not here. Pretty can mean fairly or quite. Pretty good means your day is going well, but you are not making a huge claim.
In our conversation, my morning is normal and positive. I can say, the meeting went pretty well.
Then return the question. How about you? A return question gives the conversation back to the other person.
It is like passing a ball gently. I answer, then I send the conversation back.
Exactly. Small talk is like a short game of catch. You do not hold the ball for 5 minutes, and you do not throw 10 questions at once.
So a complete answer can be, "Pretty good, thanks. I had a quiet morning. How about you?"
Yes, that one answer can begin many friendly conversations.
Lisa, tell me more about the elevator. What happened after your neighbor asked about your day?
I said, "Pretty good, thanks. I'm going to the studio. How about you?" She said she was going to a new job.
Oh, that gave you a follow-up question.
Right. A follow-up question is a new question connected to the last answer. In our story, she mentioned a new job, so I asked, "Is it your first day?" You can say, "He asked a follow-up question about my trip."
Connected is the key. I should listen for one small detail, then ask about that detail.
Yes, this conversation skill is active listening. Active listening means you show the other person that you heard them. In our conversation, I use her words, "new job," in my next question. You can say, active listening helps people feel heard.
I should not prepare question number 7 while she is still answering question number 1.
Please do not turn the elevator into a job interview.
What are some easy follow-up frames?
Try, "What do you like about it? How did that go?" Or, "Is that your first time?" Each one connects to information you just heard.
And I can show interest before the next question. That sounds nice. Oh, really? I like that.
Exactly. Interest means you want to know more about something. Here, you show interest with your face and a short response. You can say, "She showed interest in my new class."
Let us move to a different scene. I am waiting before a community class. I sit beside someone new.
Good. I will be the new person. Start with something we share.
Hi, is this your first class here?
Yes, it is. I am a little nervous.
Me too, actually. I heard the teacher is very friendly. What made you choose this class?
I want to learn something creative after work.
That sounds nice. What do you like to make?
Small clay cups. They are not always straight, but they are mine.
I understand. My first cup might become a very small bowl.
That role play works because you answered honestly, shared one detail, and asked one connected question.
It did not feel like a list of questions. We both added something.
That is another useful idea. Give and take. It means both people speak and listen. In this conversation, you share your nervous feeling and ask about my interest. You can say, "Good conversation needs give and take."
What about a work kitchen? Sometimes I see a coworker I do not know well.
Start with the moment. "That coffee smells good. Is it your first cup today?"
Be careful. For some people, first cup is a very private number.
Then use, "How is your morning going?" It is safe, simple, and easy to answer.
Listeners, which place feels hardest for you? An elevator, a class, or work? Write one word in the comments, then repeat your starter aloud.
Save the episode for tomorrow. On your second listen, notice the detail that creates each follow-up question. Now we need a small error clinic. Friendly small talk can become uncomfortable when a question is too personal.
Which questions should beginners be careful with?
Questions about age, money, body size, marriage, religion, or politics can feel private, especially with someone new.
So I should not meet a new coworker and ask, "How much money do you make?"
Definitely not as your first question.
There goes my very short friendship.
A safer choice is a shared situation. "How long have you worked here?" Or, "What do you like about this team?"
Safe means not likely to cause harm or discomfort. In this lesson, weather and shared places are safe first topics. You can say, "That is a safe question for a new classmate."
Also, be careful with direct negative comments. Some learners say, "You look tired." A warmer option is, "Busy day?" Or simply, "How is your day going?"
Because "you look tired" may sound like I am judging the person's face.
Exactly. Your meaning may be kind, but the sentence can feel uncomfortable.
Another common mistake is answering with only fine and looking away. The word is correct, but it closes the door.
Add one detail and a return question. Fine, thanks. I'm ready for lunch. How about you?
One detail is like a small handle. The other person can pick it up and continue.
Beautiful picture. Now let us practice a 3-step small talk loop. Answer, add, ask.
Answer the question, add one small detail, and ask a return or follow-up question.
Prompt 1. How is your day going?
Your turn. Give one full sentence.
A model answer is, pretty good, thanks. I had a quiet morning. How about you?
Prompt 2. Is this your first time here?
Your turn. Answer, add, and ask.
A model is, yes, it is. I joined because my friend recommended it. How about you?
Recommended means said something was good and worth trying. Here, a friend said the class was good. You can say, my coworker recommended this cafe.
What if the conversation is pleasant, but I need to leave?
Pleasant means nice and comfortable. In our lesson, the conversation feels friendly, but you still have work. You can say, we had a pleasant chat after class.
I often panic at the end. I either walk away too fast or stay for 20 minutes.
Use a polite exit. First, respond warmly, then give a simple reason, then close. It was nice talking with you. I should get back to work. See you later.
I should get back to is our exit frame. It works with work, class, my desk, or my friends.
Let us role-play the full conversation before an online meeting.
Hi, Lisa. How is your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. I just finished a long email. How about you?
Not bad. I am preparing for this meeting. Was the email difficult?
A little. It grew like a plant every time I read it.
I know that feeling. Well, it was nice talking with you. I should get back to my notes.
Of course. Good luck with the meeting. See you later.
That conversation had a start, a middle, and a clear ending. Simple English did the whole job. Lisa, let us collect the golden phrases from our first Social English episode.
Start with, how is your day going? Then answer with, pretty good, thanks. And add one real detail.
Return the conversation with, how about you? Show interest with, that sounds nice. Or, oh, really?
Ask one connected follow-up question. How did that go? What do you like about it? Or, is that your first time?
Keep new conversations light. Begin with the place, the day, the weather, or the shared activity. Avoid private questions and strong negative comments.
End politely with, it was nice talking with you. I should get back to work. See you later.
Our conversation skill is active listening. Listen for one detail, respond to it, and ask about it.
And remember, small mistakes are okay. Your goal is not a perfect performance. Your goal is a friendly moment with one clear sentence.
Here is your final mission. Imagine you meet someone before a class. Start the conversation. Answer one question. Ask one follow-up question, and end politely.
You have 2.5 seconds here. Pause the video for more time. Then speak for 20 to 30 seconds.
Your comment frame is, my day is going because, how about you? Make it true for today.
Thank you for practicing with Royi and me on Basic English Stream. This season will help you build real social English, one clear sentence at a time.
Subscribe for the next Easy English listening practice, where we will talk about hobbies and keep the conversation going.
Save this episode, listen again tomorrow, and repeat your favorite starter without reading.
Share it with a friend who wants slow, clear English to feel useful and calm.
Keep your answer simple. Listen for one detail, and give the conversation back. Bye-bye, and keep your English flowing.